Hey guys, today I will be showing you on how do I prepare my breakfast in just 1 minute. I usually eat cereals with fruits every morning since fruits is a good source of fiber and have many essential nutrients. So here are the ingredients: apple, banana, carrots, mango, cereals, milk. Here it is. Next is an egg roll. For ingredients: garlic, onion, egg, onion leaves, grated carrots, oil, salt, and pepper. Come on, I'll show you how to cook it. So that's it guys, let's eat. Don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe.